So we start off today's video with this Ikea DIY table design. Okay, now the top part definitely looks like she has like a wooden table tray, and then I'm guessing the bottom part is a basket. Oh, it could be a lantern maybe. Now, if you wanted to, you could actually leave the two pieces by itself and just glue them together, but she does go ahead and paint them. I would actually be curious to see how this would look, and don't hate me for this, but I would actually like to see how this would look with gold. Like if this top part was spray painted gold and then the base part was black. I know, guys, yeah, I really got a problem with black and gold. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like everything should be black and gold. All right, so she's spray painting the bottom. And again, I'm not sure exactly what piece she does use from Ikea. It looks to me like it could be a light fixture actually, based on the way that the top looks. It's some type of funky lampshade. But I love this idea. This is such a simple, easy project, and it looks like such a unique statement piece. The geometric, I love it. Very cool idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So for the next DIY we are at Action. So these are the items that she is using. I think she's going to be making like an outdoor fire pit. I love this gold tray. You guys knew I was gonna say that. She uses white stones here. Oh, little shells. That's cute. I didn't even like see her grab those. Oh, she made a fountain. Okay, because I was wondering. I was like, why is she putting water in there? I thought she was going to be making a fire pit. Oh, that is hilarious. Wow, that is a really cool idea though. Especially with the shells and the little stones. I think that's really pretty. All right. Now here's another mirror design for you guys. The other day we saw one where someone was placing flowers behind the mirror, and now here we see someone using feathers. Look at that. This is such a cool little vibe. I love the idea of this. This looks like a very high-end nursery. Like, can you imagine being a baby sleeping in this room? Wow. All right, so moving on to the next DIY, we have some clay here. Oh, it looks like she made little balls. Okay, wow. So she used clay to make like one of those beaded garlands. Wow. That's pretty clever. I've never seen that before. Whoa. Okay, we have another DIY with shells. These are like a nice sized shell project too. Like the shells are nice and big and heavy. You know what? I would paint these shells first, probably white, but that's just my personal, you know, kind of aesthetic. I think they would look pretty in pink too. This is a pretty easy project though. You're basically just taking the shells and gluing them around the jar. I think with the shells all being like different colors and sizes, it gives it more of like an eclectic look and vibe. And then she uses some fairy lights. Create a little bit of a luminous glow. And bam, really cool planter. Such a fun idea. So here we have a bunch of popsicle sticks. And she's pouring some coffee on them and staining them. So this is like a simple way to get like some coffee wood stained popsicle sticks. Ooh, what a cozy little pillow. Now this is a cool idea for a pillow design, but personally I don't think I have the patience for like actually trying to make this. Wonder how long it took. You could also make a blanket using the same method. But very nice little cozy design. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.